Hey there. So, you probably noticed that I never made another video about the Corsa exhaust on this Corvette. And if you were asking yourself, where's that follow-up video about the Corvette? Why would you ask yourself? Because I don't post anyway. But now that you're here, I'm going to make a quick little follow video about the Corvette here. So, a rundown is had a stock titanium on it. I put an X pipe on it. You saw that video. I put a set of Corsa Sport mufflers on it because they were cheap, and I wanted more volume. I liked them, but they weren't enough for me because when it actually goes into the muffler, comes out. Versus this guy's almost like a true bypass. So I like the Corsa Sport, but it just wasn't loud enough for me. And I went and coughed up $2,000 to get actually, I think I got a screaming deal. I think I spent like $1,400 without tax, and it charged me sales tax. It's some random website like buildyourcar.com or car parts, some shit like that. I thought I was gonna get scammed, but worst case scenario, I'd do a charge back to have Chase or whatever my bank do a claim and get my money back. But $1,400 for a brand new Corsa Extreme. So this thing has an NXT step next step X pipe that I installed myself, and a set of Corsa Extreme mufflers. So let's listen to it, and I'm gonna compare and edit the two together so you can see the difference in the volumes. But listen to this sucker, dude. It's so fucking good. It's so good. it starts. It's not droning, which is nice. It's got a nice throatiness to it. It's not too bad, but this thing does burn a shit ton of oil, so fair warning. Alright, the motor's warm enough now. Let's fucking send her, bud.